Dear students, welcome. Again, we are going to see organic farming topic, part 2, unit 3, subject is Indian economy. Let's see organic farming, part 2, Indian economy, unit 3. Myself, Dr. Santosh, faculty, Department of Economics. In previous video, we saw how organic farming concept originated in India, and we saw where India stands in world level and where the states stand in India level, and how two uh, states declared as organic states. Now followed by that video, this is the part 2 which shows what are the crops organically shown in India. That means grown in India. Cereals. Under cereals, paddy, wheat, maize. Pulses, red gram, black gram, green gram, Bengal gram. Under spices, cardamom, black pepper, ginger, turmeric, clove, vanilla. Under vegetables, brinjal, tomato, potato, onion, garlic. Under foods, mango, banana, pineapple, grape, orange, cashew nut. Under commodities, tea, coffee. Under cash crops, cotton. These are all the crops which has been organically grown in India. Let's see, students, what is the difference between conventional farming and organic farming. Under conventional farming, it is based on economical orientation. Economical means at lesser rate, at cheaper rate to get more, whereas organic farming is ecological orientation. It does not bother about the cost concept. It bothers about the natural concept. Supplementing nutrients through chemical fertilizer. Here, cycle of nutrients within the farm, organically produced materials used to produce organic manure used to produce organic crops. Weed control by herbicide. Weed control by crop rotation. Pest control by pesticide. Pest control based on non-polluting substance like neem cake, vermicompost. I already told in last slide. Livestock rarely combined here. Livestock for production and health. Low input output ratio with pollution. Optimum input output ratio with no pollution. Using up soil fertility, often resulting in erosion and soil loss, whereas maximum soil conservation with water quality and with less soil erosion. Dear students, let's see why organic farming is necessary. Why should we give importance to organic farming? It is need of the hour. We have to control the pollution. So sustainable and eco-friendly technology. It improves quality and shelf nutritive value of the farm produce. It encourages sustainable livelihood of the producers as well as safeguards consumer health. It improves the physical, chemical and biological health of soil, promotes healthy use of natural resources and minimizes all forms of the pollution. It enhances and sustains biological drivers and maintains ecosystem. In conclusion, I would like to say that in organic farming, the natural manures, natural fertilizers, neem cake, biogas, slurry, vermicompost, etc. helps maintain organic material in soil, feeding the soil rather than feeding the plant. Thank you, Mother Nature.